Larry Millette, the Chula Vista man accused of killing his wife, is set to appear back in court. Now, it's been over 3 years since his wife, Maya, went missing.
Today, Larry's attorney is expected to let a judge know whether they'll be ready to go to trial in August. CBS 8's Chris Groh reporting from the Chula Vista courthouse.
Yeah, good morning, guys. And that status conference continued until April 2nd, so we do not have a start date yet for this murder trial. And there's a lot of frustration on the part of the judge as well as the district attorney. Again, this is yet again that this murder trial again does not have a start date. So we know, of course, that back in October, Larry had switched defense attorneys. They had, again, delayed that status conference until January. January turned to February 29th. And now, as we sit here, we are waiting again on April 2nd for this murder trial potentially to have a start date. Now, as for what they will be ordered to do, they will be ordered to come up with a start date on April 2nd. So it does not appear that there will be any further continuations beyond that. Something else that we found out today was that Larry apparently accepted 11 video conferences from February 2nd to 27th, which all violate that court order, which has made headlines previously, as Larry has tried to fight that so he could make contact with his children. Well, apparently these calls are coming from Larry's residence to the jail, but his children live at Larry's house. These are calls that children could hear and no way to monitor. This all being brought up by the district attorney after looking at records from the jail. That's why the court specified that Millette was barred from these video conferences. Now, they were offered to Larry by the jail, so that is something that the judge pointed out, but the judge also said, look, that you know that you are barred from doing this, so you should decline them. Now, no further charges were added to Larry's docket because of this, but the judge did verbally reprimand him. So that is something that will also be something to pay attention to as we move forward to that April 2nd date, where we are expected to finally get a start to that murder trial. Eric and Netta.